Alright, para dun sa mga kaibigan natin na hindi pa marunong mag-install ng MRA dun sa kanilang mga computer, and here's the process how you actually do it without asking anyone or like technicians or yung mga techie, ika nga, dun sa computer. Normally yun yung tinatawag nila, but you don't have to do it to call anyone else to help you out. Very simple. So just follow these instructions, alright? Okay, whenever you're ready. So pag meron ho kayong MRA and then meron ho kasamang CD yan. Napaloob na yung CD doon kung saan gagamitin natin yan para sa pag-install na inyong computer. Pero bago ang lahat, bago nyo i-install yan, ipasok doon sa inyong mga computer or laptop, kailangan nyo munang i-check yung inyong mga antivirus. Kung meron kayong antivirus, make sure yan po ay naka-disabled. Okay? Para naman hindi magkakaroon siya ng conflict. Kasi normally, pagka meron ho kayong antivirus sa inyong computer, hindi ho nila kilala ang mga program ng MRA. So you have to disable that. Normally dito yan nakalagay. And then right-click nyo lang or anything. Kasi dito, wala na akong antivirus. I don't need it. So, right-click nyo and then there's an options for you if you like to disable o kaya temporary hold nyo muna for 1 hour or after restart of the computer. Okay, pagkatapos nyan, saksak nyo yung CD installer ng MRA at lalabas doon sa inyong screen. Lalabas yan normally dito. Run, auto run. Okay, so just click on run and follow nyo lang yung installation process. Just in case hindi siya lumabas yung auto run na yan dun sa inyong computer, click nyo lang yung start ito and then hanapin nyo yung computer. Paglabas nito, may nakalagay CD drive. Malalaman nyo kasi mukhang ito naka hard drive lang yung but this is supposed to be CD drive, yung bilog. Okay, double click nyo siya and then makikita nyo auto run and there's a setup. So wag nyo piliin yung auto run, yung mga ganitong icon ang dapat nyo piliin. Setup, double click and then wait and then click yes. And then may mga instruction dito, you don't need to read all the instructions, just click on next ulit and then install. Antayin nyo lang hanggang matapos yung installation process. Normally, pagka mabilis computer nyo, matatapos agad. Okay, pagka ganito, lumabas siya na run Quantum Resonance Magnetic Analyzer. Just click on finish. Pero pag hindi siya, nakaganyan siya, dapat i-check nyo to. Okay? So, click on finish. Kasi pagka meron na siyang run as computer, ganon, ibig sabihin yan ay hindi na kailangan natin pang mag-right click and going to properties. Pero pag sakali normally i-double check nyo siya para mas maganda ang takbo ng inyong MRA at hindi magkakaroon ng conflict sa inyong computer. I-right click nyo tong icon. Ito yung in-install natin kanina. And then just click on properties. At the top, you have several options on it. You have to choose compatibility. Okay, at the bottom, you will see run the program as an administrator. So ito kanina kung wala siyang check, dapat lagyan ng check. And then just hit apply and press OK. So there you go. So pwede ka nang magamit, ma-plug yung cable doon sa inyong computer or sa inyong laptop tapos machine na inyong ginagamit po. And you can start using this program. When you click it, ito kasi pag kiniklik ko to, wala pa siyang lumalabas. Sinasabi niya ay cannot find your encryption lock. Ibig sabihin, hindi po nakasaksak yung pong encryption. So yung pong USB na kasama doon sa inyong MRA. Alright, so i-plug nyo yun. Pagkakatama po yung encryption lock, ay wala akong problema yan. Okay, enjoy. And if you guys have any questions, please text us sa number na ito, 0947-751-9933. Marami pong salamat and God bless us all. Thank you.